No what? No what?
Get out! Have you forgotten your place in this palace as just a common royal driver?
A monkey and a gorilla may claim oneness, but a monkey is a monkey and gorilla.
You're talking to the future queen, are you aware of that?
I don't want to be upgraded. I like my level the way I am.
So you have the F13, you David, to order palm wine in this palace.
Watch it! Watch it!
I should be able to know what you're up to.
Small cash.
Osage is where fella.
God forbid I do that.
So this is how you go about the village, carrying girls in my family's car?
You mean you saw him with dirty girls in my car?
How dare you?
You need to get pregnant for your loved one, Ebu, and put it on the prince. It's my only opportunity of becoming royalty.
I think sleeping with the princess.
Stay far away from my sister.
How dare you refer to me as shameless?
Of course you're shameless!
Overtaking is allowed.
Yes.
Why did you touch me back? Why did you touch me?
How dare you talk to me in such manners?
I will talk to you in any manner I deem fit, and nothing, absolutely nothing will happen.
I am nothing but a servant to the royal home. I carry out my duties with humility. I say good son that they respect everybody and that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder and they say I'm the crossy boundary. But every day, Aquamoka Unono,
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.